The flower channel is no medium and the sticker no snazo. And everybody was saying, yeah, come sebenzi. Like everybody was saying that, but inside of me, I knew Guti, hey Baba, we have another purpose.
But I feel like we want
Adamsiyana ngamsebenzi indlukutsha ngasoze. Kuba ngathi
Indlukusha.
lokujilo kaloku bakuzwa ngezilimela.
Size and that we're not trying to fit in. We are showcasing Eastern Cape. Like it's been difficult for us. You get me? Like niggas from Mthatha or whatever. Like it's been hard for us.
Stand strong, stay ten.
Because igrila yona. Cha sezisebenza ikaka. Ngoba nama ngisebenza kitchen nje. Show noma ifunela into ezinjalo. Ka mhlawumbe ngithela ngale endiyenzayo. Yena ndikubona kwintontono wena esipana ngisandobukela into yakho whatever. Because andisipana pha cha nekayenzi le endiyenzayo. Yeah, so ndaphuma ke bese ngayiringa napha. So it's like I started doing content after ndixela uba ngiyaphuma ekitchen because I'm like yeah, the way yandidepressa ngole because it's like hey ndiyayiva le yanqonqoza and like fuck ikhona le imele ndiyenzile cha ndiyazi uba yintoni. So i-frustration yami yeah sekumanje ndiye kumsebenzi man hey man ndiyekele kaka span. So naphela ndishintsha ndisipana kwenye indawo sipana kwenye iplek usipana kwami kula plek niba ndasipana nje 3 months bra ngabe sengiqale le hayi ke sahamba straight ke sesirecord.
Hayi ubona la ngayenza lo wena. I think let's get on it, Domsiyana, man. Yeah, well, let's get on it. Normally, Tina says introduce.
100%. This was more very natural. Yeah, this was very natural. Yeah, so it's like, hello, mama, man, beg a pants. Because now I can see, but man, the way now is starting to disturb me a bit, or I'm not focused because I'm thinking of like being consistent, like posting on a daily, like making sure that like engagement or whatever. Because with this thing, it's like this is something that I think I've said before in a podcast or somewhere, but it's like ayoyami le way. Yeah, I guess that I'm saying. Like it's like I just thought of 3 videos. One because I've before. I've already got something on everyone. You get me? But it's like it's how
Sure.
It's like when people like like in a personal way, like someone says, so it's like it's how much of a thick skin they have. Are you gonna say that about what you thought of them, and then they're gonna maybe feel offended and stuff like that. So it's like sometimes like I talk to people sometimes like yeah. I thought of this thing. I'm not gonna tell you what, but I'm gonna post. You're gonna see it. If it offends you, it does. Like but there's nothing we can do about it.
Post it
We're not gonna
anyways.
take it. We're not gonna take it back. So also, it's more of I'm just a vessel, man. I don't think I am. Hence, ndiyiphatha njani or stuff like that, because it's like even nangoku I'm like hey bras zobuza ntoni, because like le way ndiyenzayo yenzeka ngoku, so it's like there's nothing to talk about of what's happening. Hence it's like I hope even nesithetha ngayo it's like it's really gonna be the bigger picture, not just like oh, how are your DMs? Because there's really nothing on my DMs, because I don't attract that energy.
Sure.
I'm not trying to have bitches. Like I have a partner. I'm good. Like like I'm chilling. Like and I'm just pushing life, and I'm pushing like because there's intrusive thoughts if you really think about it. So it's just being you all every day, every minute, every second, if you can, trying to be easy, trying to be natural, trying to be like, umzekelo ngondibana, I'm like, man, the Muslim. Ngondibona ngondijonga ndenze research inantontoni, because I know Siv, I know Lenukukwele. So I'm like, man, let's brazong as family. Can't ucinga uba sasidibene phi, mhlawumbi kuweka phi, or I don't know, but I don't know about sasidibene phi, but because there's a creativity. Andiyazi man, xa ndizama ucinga, but like into ezinjalo. So it's just real life, right? And as I not when you wanna uqala ubona umenze ngathi amazi exesha amazi oh let's work bro, let's work. Hey, I want to tell igama lakho 17 kodibana konini I'm skis yo kho yeah, bro, what's your name? Yo, friends, explain the call. Yo, I mean, like, that's why it's like I don't go out as often like that, especially like with, not that I don't want to be around other creatives, but it's like, yo, man, we all act being ngoxa sidibana ufike omnye emkhulu kunomnye ngomnye uzama ubona uba I'm him. Hey, mntu wakho dog, sorry ngothuka, but like, fuck you, man. I am ke ngoku uyakubuza banguye ibiza bangubani we are all unique like you are yeah nguwe kakade like buza bantu kanti you are ubulisha photo kaka just because wena neteke entsha ye Nike hey fuck off.
And said that.
Sure,
So we were speaking about.
It's gonna be fun.
Call any episode to that we did about.
Sure.
We were speaking about the mental health, like the men's mental health month and stuff like that.
Sure.
And it came up about say sometimes we can be suffering from mental health or when you're depressed, but we are not even aware of that. You know? So when you go to Tangi, we explain about that you're working in a kitchen and you were depressed when you were overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Like uvele wayeka nje ispan like that. Like I mean unengozi. Like you have your family, you have people to take care of. How easy was like
that change?
How easy was it for you to take that decision? You're like say, man is span and like this is the way you're content.
Yeah.
Like how easy was it for you about like usiyeke span and move?
No. Very difficult. Sorry to not cut you like, but like very difficult. Because the only thing that made me leave is like I'm doing so much. There's no way, dog, that you can wake up endlini uphume ngo-8, ubuye ngo-12 ebusuku, and you can still earn less than 20,000. Doesn't fucking make sense.
No.
Doesn't fucking make sense. Like, that shit doesn't make sense to me. I leave the house 8 o'clock in the morning for 5 days a week, and I come back like at 8, like close to AMs every night, and I'm not even making 17, not even take it to 20. You get me? So it was like a thing of like, yay, no man. You see, with me, I'm not one of those guys. Me, I'm a risk taker, bro. Like me, I'm not scared to, even though I chime up, you know. But it's like if it can't push to shove, like I'm not scared to go to that point where it's Chai Caesar, and I only have R1.30 in my pocket. Like I do the most when I'm in my lowest. So it's like, even when I started content, like I was probably like at my lowest and shit. Like I was shifting and stuff like that. But I'm always a believer in I don't forget myself, bro. I never think less of myself. Like I'm doing this because this Barcelona. I don't know if I'm making sense. Like I'm more into me more than anything. I'm a Gemini also. So some other things that can be crazy, but like me, dog, I break relationships like it's nothing. Dog, me, I'm like, it's fine, dog. It's fine. Even if you're not cool. Like, so it's like, to answer your question, it was a thing of like, it was challenging, bruh. But I always knew that there was a bigger purpose. Kuyo yonke le decision ndiyenzayo because and I didn't even start content by the Elaxesha. I was just doing like I was looking for another job. I was looking for a better opportunity. Not that I was just living, but when I left, like I could see, okay, this thing that I'm trying to do is actually like something or whatever. Because I don't do content, I record and post. So I don't edit. I don't really think about anything. Like I know, and I just channel it. I think about it maybe 2 or 3 times or whatever. And then I just like, okay, 1, 2, 2, 2, whatever. Bah, we go. So we don't edit. We don't really think about it or whatever. We just do it directly, you know.
So the way we take about like you just mentioned something about like you like you prioritize yourself first. Yeah, how easy is that? Like because sometimes it's hard in fact, to put yourself first. It's difficult, more especially when you have responsibilities and things to do and people that depend on you, It's tough for someone Because also sometimes now I want to put myself first, but it's difficult. I end up coming ekugqibeleni kuzo zonke izinto yabo because I have abantu like ukwenza umzekelo nengcosi yabo. So I can't just say umsebenzi uzawuyeka. Ndiqale ndicinge yabo so mna ndiza ekugqibeleni.
Okay, sure.
So it's tough to like put yourself first. When you have
I feel you. I get
responsibilities
you.
and people that look up to you.
I get you, but it's like I feel like they all the answers that goes funny about anything are within you. Like zingaphakathi kuwe. Like yonke into ofuna uyazi uyayazi. So it's like I knew but I didn't know. So it's like believing in that faith, having that belief, that thing yophambana about and everybody was saying, yeah, kumsebenzi. Like everybody was saying that, but inside of me, I knew, Guti, hey, Baba, we have another purpose. But I also forgot something. I forgot because it's like I always had this idea, but Zala, I will take care of you. I will take care of everyone. That's what I want to do. Because me, I'm a family dude and whatever. So now I forgot about these small things of like, okay, if I can send the 500 for maybe Tengu Park, school or whatever. So I always had that image whereby like, maybe when we get to it, then I will take care of everything. So I didn't understand the small things. Hence, it's like now quitting the job and whatever. And it does hit on your mental, like on your mental. But shit, don't do no whatever. And I said with my partner and stuff. I need to do this and this and this and that and that. But it's like that's what life is, and that's what learning is. Like, that's what I feel like we're learning. We're trying to understand things because it's like I've never been in that position before. So if I don't take that risk, because nobody has ever taken that risk in my family. But now it's like the newspaper that my mother and my cousin and my aunt buy every morning, now they can see me there. And then it did it dispatch. So, but now, next day, I came on the 1st of July. But it's like, now it's like, you're calling this person out, but now, why you tell this, go TikTok and whatever. But it's like, you've never been here. You read it every day. But you've never been.
Like,
do you see that as like being on the newspaper and people reading about you? Do you see that as some sort of a success or achievement?
And it's not an achievement. It's what us creative from Eastern Cape we need to do. That's a newspaper from Eastern Cape. I'm from Eastern Cape. That's what I'm representing. That's what I'm forever dying representing. It's all about Eastern Cape. We're not trying to fit in. Like I'll emphasize on that we're not trying to fit in. We are showcasing Eastern Cape. Like it's been difficult for us. You get me? Like niggas from Mthatha or whatever, like it's been hard for us because people back home, there's no resources. People eat, like the arts and culture doesn't do shit. Like that's actually like, even the shows, if they're doing shows, like the budget is 500,000, but like there was not even more than 500 people at the stadium and whatever. Me, I'm Sugar Pisho, bro. So me, I've seen these things in front of me. I can see this. Like the delivery service of the government or whatever. Like I see those. So I grew up there. There was nothing to do, bruh. That's why we did drugs for 10 years. Because I did drugs for 10 years because there was nothing to. No, there's no cricket club. Even it's there's no healthy recreation that's proper. You get me? So we had to come to Cape Town. Now we have to show the people that are in the state Cape. Like you see now. Your people are doing things here. The whole point of this is to go back there and make that place like a beautiful space as it is.
It is, bro.
Because bro.
It's beautiful. Eastern Cape is beautiful.
Great, bro. Like, have you seen Port Alfred? Have you seen like Port St. John's, bro?
But I feel like we want to.
Because I think this is how different maybe with Rana BT as the inner chance, because I think I'm not interested Guyo more than any other thing is when
bro,
before Upurga is because I was shocked ensukwini recently uba kanti igama lakho nguMasoka. It's like, what the hell? What kind of a name is that?
Exactly,
Now
yeah.
that spoke to a lot of, you know, what we see the public face and
Sure.
not necessarily the kind of person you are.
Yeah, 100%.
Because before you became Papa Smurf or you became Pudgayero,
Sure.
but you Masoka before.
Masoka,
and
yeah.
before that, Bung Masoka was a gong.
Exactly.
I wanna take it back there if that's okay with you.
It's good,
Yabo?
it's good, bro.
Just usnige idea on Umasoka before Upudgayesu. Like, how was life growing up in the Eastern Cape for you? I remember Kulen, no mama, no tata.
Mama, I know, yeah, you can say that.
Yeah, but how was that? How was life?
No, ndikhuliswe ligriza, bruh. No zala. So I was raised by my mother. I lost my dad, I think, when I was still like 8, I think grade 2. So I was raised by my grandma for some part, and then I went to stay with my mother for some time. So growing up in Eastern Cape, oh sorry, yo, I'm not, bro. Yabona zabe sisekava ngo-sparkling water umbhodli nje nova umbhodli nje yabona phela isteric ave nabana nova, but yeah man, so it's Eastern Cape, yo brand disciplined. Like, I don't wanna lie, bethwe nana 15 mina bra. Like unozala wami la kunibethe ngoba sendimdala ndishaya izwi anileqa. It's a donor. You know, so me, yo, dog, I grew up like as a respectable kid or respectful kid. Like, you know, ngikhule ninembeko. Bona besingayodlala phandle, besidlala eyadini. Bayitsho mze ndifuna uzodlala nathi, sidlala kuthi apha endlini eyadini. Like randomly, kuthiwa bona uchola amaphepha. Like, you know, uma ngathi ujonga umama umuntu omdala emlonyeni. Kuthiwa ngaphakameni. Now you tell me. So I grew up in a setting like that. We grew up with a lot of cousins that we didn't even know how we related to them. Usuka Alice, but uzohlala bezwelitsha nani. Like, you know, it was like family. Grew up with a lot of siblings. I remember bezikwazi udishwa like 12 plates. T-shirt 12 plates, 13 ekamalume uhlale back, like, you know, tampads and stuff like that. So it's like I grew up in a home, bro. I don't want to lie. Like, I grew up in a home. We didn't have everything. Like, I didn't. That's why I'm not into a lot of people. I'm sure they're like, I'm not into. I love looking good and stuff, but it's like I became more, even this style. I'm more classy than trendy and all that kind of stuff, because it's like I'm kulanga brands or Nike, like yeah. But like you can get some nice outfits, some woolies, shit like that, because you know Zara like she worked and stuff. So yeah, bro, it was like makulu, bro. So from grade 1 to grade 4, benhlala negriza. Ndihlala nomakazi. Bona landla kulo olide kasi, omakazi. So ngikhulele ezwe from grade 1 to Lenduka. And then I moved eBhisho. eBhisho is like a suburban area. That's why I went to no like, yeah, dude, yes. Bro, easy, bro. Then I went to stay to eBhisho. eBhisho, tell my Boobel, the Surreal. Yeah, and so like so I went to stay at eBhisho. Then eBhisho is like a mix of like a lot of friends as I went to multiracial schools and whatever. So like I could tap in now into, oh shit, okay, so you know. And then I found eBhisho from grade 5 to grade 7. And then I got found about okay, give high school. Ndithi like isigele ke usinika imali ze-forms qala ubostoti ke yo ndibe ndatyezwa mali ze-forms sabo ndifuna nakwezi zigele zigrade ngafuna aphinde ndibona uzala nguseyocela ke ngoku ezitshomi zakhe ezifundisa kwesi sikolo wayefunda nazo way back. So now bandicelela uba makafunda apha eXolani, macela uzawucela umfake amastiri man apha eXolani. So mstiri man, mstiri man umtishara wami wesiXhosa atyhuska nozala. So like that's how I went back to cars. So I kind of stayed in cars again. So that's why the hood shit started again. Babush, babede. Opa, hola, babede. Like now, because now, so now we're trying to balance it. Like so now suka ngapha ngene thina sibuya
Lokishini
lokishini dibana nabantu abazinsizwa ufunda nomama
Busy.
esikolweni. Like I think we're the only amakhwenkwe eklasini sasiyi-2 cha wonke amarhoti manje sasiyi-26 nobomama babeyi-10 eklasini. Kena ungazange esikolweni amisi bentomncane benisa umntana ekliniki. Kena ungazange esikolweni amisi benisa umntana ekliniki. Yo, so it's like now it became tough now. Hey, now it became tough now because the Zala side is kind of like softish and like no Zala and Vienna. That's why we got big. Yo, Chamakanda, ne grapes. But I was telling you that because as well as must be better ibisi bilela bantu abadala for ikof. Bese ngakhipha apha like with big song esinemanzi aneswekile. So isong esidry luckily basine rama but amanzi aneswekile nesong. Yeah, makhulu ngicela amanzi aneswekile nesong. So I grew up in that kind of setup like makhulu type of shit like umntana ngumntana nakubethwa kunye ngecane. Sorry ngothuka bro type of shit. Like bethiwe ngecane bro. Bethiwe ngale. So it was kind of set up and then when we went back to cars and then now like I think that's when we lost the Grizzle. So it's like now I'm trying to be cool now. I'm trying to fit in. Even ngawusela I think ngiqale matric. Like I was a smart kid naseskele because nala influence yasebhisho. So when I got back to ekhaya it's like and ngeke ngiyaziwa ngomisi ngomalume ezinye ngontonto because because kanozala. Boy like ugele ekhaya lisho khole ekhaya lisho mama kubefuna ekhaya lisho.
lapha so
Utishara bakhe wafunda nawo. Yabona so ibi set up enjalo. So now I had to be so a smart kid. Passing big got some distinctions and shit. So it's like bebesi smart ngosiqala usela ngosiyabhadla phango June ke. Hey, yabona manje janga ngoDecember. Hey, now you starting to think now, but you okay, sure. We started wanna be cool again, wanna fit in now. Like we think now, okay, let's try to fit in now. Okay, sure. Went to varsity. Okay. Dibana neloli evarsity. Now second year. First year was good, sapasa kahle. Sankambisa second year, yeah, asa dibana neloli kwale. Asayithulula mntanami.
Damn.
Yo, sayibetha ithupha.
wenza ntoni esigela ngezo sikhathi
It's a symbol.
damn atsho ngabuza irhasi nosuza isigela
So uyeka kwakho isigela like ubuse
Sewuso. Yeah, but yeke sense Boston.
okay.
Yeah, so basically to answer your question, ukhula bilo way. Yeah, ukhula manoko bra, but like yeah, there's a lot to tell about like King William Star, ukhula whatever, but it's like of course but because of time and stuff like that, but like yeah, if you ask something maybe we'll go back to it for sure.
So how much of how you grew up made who you are now?
Yo, bro, I grew up around women. Like there was no father figure that was like present like that. So khule nomakazi, like omakazi wami uthi ngokudlula uhletshwa unye ngoku sorry ngethuba. Hey ba, you kamjonga ibhomba jacket yakhe. No. Sembe uyam no problem habo makazi omnume
Lava
yakuba
nje.
so I grew up in a house about acika betha ntombi. Yeah, so I grew up in a house full of like beautiful women, confident women, like so it was like beautiful, bro. Like it was so I grew up in a space like that, like so that's why like like doing dishes. Like me, I can do anything for myself, bro. Like from ironing to even now that I look this way, it's like not like being like this because it's like I've done that all my life, getting a new haircut, looking clean. Like I was clean at school and stuff like that. So now it's actually way, but it's like when I started staying alone, I'm like, hey, actually, you know what? Yeah, man. Me, I just wanna be Justin, man. Like, so I was like, bro, like always, I was always on doing the right thing, man, for a very long time. So
do you think ngoku mhlawumbi because I'm getting sense yoba umakhulu besides omakazi and everyone
Yeah.
else but I think umakhulu discipline yakhe shaped like
The
most
everything,
of how you
bro.
how you grew up to be. But I wanna know ke ngoku uba from that, what do you think really caused the change elifeni yakho besides is it maybe losing umakhulu and if ever mhlawumbi i-absence ka-timer has
Yeah.
anything to do nalo way.
Yeah.
Yayiva i-question yami
Nakuva,
iyaphila.
nakuva. Absence, I don't want to lie, absence of time, bro. Because whatever it developed to be, it's like kumjita wa majita. So it's like, that's one thing I'm good at. Like, I wanna mujita, nigga. Like, I make sure, it's like, born again, I will never forget you. I know everyone's face. No matter the hip hop, but yeah, I tap you get me? So it's like, it shaped me. So I think looking for that guidance, time, yela siyenza le. So now you tryna, now when you need it the most, because you're getting of that age now, uzawuqaba yonke la way. So ayikho ke ngoku. So it's like, how do I get involved with the women? How do I? So that's why even I'm into that later, whatever. But it's like, I think he absence your time, bro, like mostly. But then, yeah, I think absence the time. So now you're trying to fit in because by the time I am, when I hear his stories, like, I'm cheating about faith. Like, it's like, how can house?
Yeah.
Like, about the tisha, like, by the celebrity, by the tisha, like, don't
Damn.
fucking sleep on this nigga. The Afrikaans teacher, like, smart ass nigga, teach Afrikaans,
Yes, bro.
like, who does that? And so when we grew up, he used to rap me a lot. So that's why it's like, me becoming like this, time. Because time I am taka matwetwe, nani matwetwe ngwana bisi, uthiwa ditwetwezi.
Tell us, shite,
Yeah, I know, I don't know, but if you check what the meaning of matwetwe is, matwetwe is brilliance. Matwetwe is what I'm currently practicing right now. Imatwetwe lewe. You get me? Like the shit of the podcast. Exactly, bro. Matwetwe, unozala bude ditwetwezi. Yeah, dog, matwetwe.
It's causes.
It's cause even Black Coffee has a movie.
Yeah, that's what
Black Coffee is an executive producer and that thing. So I think so each time I feel like I understood it later, man. I think I was doing a interview with Uvev, and then babuzi like a bone and then I realized, hela, each time I am and put her on because DJ ndikhula nje kuthiwa yho nanko umntaka Ken yabo like bona zabe yho ndithanda utata akho. So it's like it was always like this and kaka ingamameli chain inkawu endlini ngicela makhaya bendini odaba bendimi ofundileyo abayisikolo no yabo and by 11 and here you are hey scale type of shit. So it's like so yeah cheese boy kwayona way back because yayingumntana senkeva but ofundileyo so he was advanced in a way. So that's why it's like ngumjita we-bruise itshomi zakhe zonke zezititshi ezingamapolisa nonto nasengingqina ngoku it's like taka masoka like masoka like how I became like back home and like like masoka people that know me or they know about my family and shit. It's like yeah tata wakho wayichisa wayibomba shit like that. So I would say yeah, bruh. The absence of time for sure, but it actually shaped me because I'm just continuing with what he did or what he was about. But now we are more cautious because I think like alcohol abuse was one of the things that contributed to his Lendo. So now we're trying to not die before 32, 42, sorry, like, So we're trying to make sure that, okay, we limit ourselves, okay, we listen to the partner, to my woman, like, we don't try to make the same mistake. I'm not saying we're not gonna get lit, but it's like we focus too, man. We when we drink, you drink with people that you know, you drink with people that you trust. It's like, you're responsible, bruh. Like you don't just do things or smoke weed for the sake of smoking weed. Like, it's there's a purpose behind everything. Like, as I'm saying, like Ngaba Nova, but like this is my friend, like his streams and shit like that. And we just met Ngaba Faith because we met through a friend here. So we attend, but he's not here. He's doing his thing with his family. He's taking Cape Banam thing. And it's like, I'm like, and then Kusta, what are we gonna continue doing, Tina? Like, are we gonna wait for Kusta? So now we're friends by default. Yeah, we were hanging out together. We went for a bride. Today we're doing this. So it's like I'm very good with those kind of setup. And then when you meet people who actually complement that, it becomes very easy. We're not trying to be celebrities here. We're not trying to be famous here, man. We just trying to take care of our families, bro. Like that's all we want to trying to do, man. Hence, I'm saying even on that article. Like we're not talking about like numbers. Like, oh, thank you guys for 100 likes. Hey, fuck off, man. You get me? It's like you like it because you like it, man. Like you like it because you like it. And it's like, I know myself and you know yourself. And if you like what you see, then let's go. Let's continue if we gel together, like, you know. Because one thing I've noticed with creativity also, you can meet someone online, you talk with them, and you agree maybe working together, whatever. But when you start to, and then maybe you start to realize, go, hey, this person, you don't have the same values that they do. So now it's like, now you've already committed to something with someone that you don't even know. So it's not like I'm full of myself, but it's like, hey, at least let me get to know you, dog. Let me know you, what you're about, what are your values. It's like, you know, I don't want to be hanging with people and then 1 2 1 2, like, yo, bantsama chera abantu lo, man, oh, like, you know, be phone you, and it's like, but ngulutseke nje. But it's Lutseke, it's a Lutseke. But that's a hot man. That's a hot man. Like, so even now I'm talking to him. I'm sure maybe if I go to Joe's or he comes this side, we're gonna do something, like, you know. But that's my bro. So it's one of the people that, like, I wanna mention him because it's like, oh, fire. Those were the blueprint for me. Some of them I will see them like, it's not invited. Like, I used to watch their shit sometimes and be like, I can do this too. Like, maybe I can do better.
Even better,
yeah, whatever.
Which is good.
Yeah, bro. So it's like I even said to Ulutseka, I wouldn't be probably doing this or having the confidence if Fire didn't start, if for reasons they didn't start. If yeah, man, because me, I'm pro Xhosa also. So because hey, brother, no matter on the winning side, we topics, yeah. But like I'm me, dog. I'm pro Xhosa, bro. One thing I'll tell you about me, like everything, like I'm doing my content in Xhosa on purpose. Like I'm, like maybe if we get there's a time it's cool, and then so cool, bro. But it's like, I feel like with the Xhosa shit, man, like we need to be great again, make Xhosa great again, make Xhosa people great again, like protect that black child, man, again, like, you know, Mambasnas, Bandit, and shit like that, man, like we. Because even who's killing it, like in the entertainment space, like let's say like a rapper, because I'm into Xhosa rap stuff, like which Xhosa rapper that is like certified, like, yeah, not about being dope, but it's like because the Senai, it was Bravo, like in a way, of course D, corner, whatever, but it's like somebody that's like there, man. Sure. Like, of course D is there, like she pushes doing a thing, but I feel like we need more.
With the lines and shit.
Yeah, but it's like they don't have brand deals, bonge. They don't have endorsements, bonge. Like we need more guys with endorsements. We need more guys with. Like, so that there can be a cash flow on this Xhosa thing. Like, you know, we need more scoops. Like, you know, we need a lot, bro. Like, especially Xhosa speaking, bro. We need to do stuff for Eastern Cape, bro. Like, we need to go back home and do festivals. I don't know if, like, Black Hawk is still doing the Buyele Ekhaya kind of stuff. Like, you know, we need to have those so that we can. Now it's sad, bro. When you go back home, there's no one, bro. People are going to Mauritius, Baba. They're going to Mozambique. Yo, December, people are not going home anymore. Like that 25 is no longer at 25.
Damn.
Like, sorry to cut you, Yabo. Like, you spoke about your partner, ne? And you spoke about your drug addiction period, yabo.
Sure.
And you mentioned the importance of having your partner.
Yeah.
Organic, like the meeting her and that being like sort of a turning point to your drug addiction.
Yeah.
Like, what kind of person is she? Like, what changed?
Basically.
Yeah, and man. So, dog, how can I say?
okanye ke mandibuze sona.
No, I got yours, but I'm
Yeah.
just thinking of how I'm gonna answer you. I got the question. It's you know, when I was in a point also whereby I wanted to cut, like to stop now, because now I can see, and I think I even said it on BTS, where I almost died twice that year. Had breakdowns, like almost got hit by a car. I walked from town to Maitland at 4 a.m. ngenyawo ngiqhuma, nxilile, like, you know, type of shit like that. The same year, and then that was 2022, maybe about December and stuff. And then we met at the end of the year, and then 2023 we started staying together. So it's like, how can I put it, man? Even now, so it's I wanted to stop, and now I was pressured to graduate, because now I was in chef school. Now I want to finish the school, like endlini kuyabuza ufunda nini gqibethini lesikole or whatever. Then it was just perfect timing, and she came, and then like she was just that support system. Crazy enough, she just dropped the song Friday, so she makes music. Flower Child, Mama F. The F is for fullest. Yadubula medium. The baby brown, betting guy. So it's like, yeah, man. She was that woman. I remember my friend who bass, when she first saw her, she was like, and she hasn't even made music that time. And oh yeah, she hasn't even made music. I think she had one song only, and the song ingoma yakhe ayisithi Soka Lam, and igama lam Masoka. And we just met at the shop, nje, like, and then that's one of those where like you prayed for someone and then they just literally like, boom, kubona nawe. So yeah, man, I think she dropped a song Friday in Tron. She said I must mention. Yeah. Shout out, so we're doing a promo. Please make sure you check in Tron
Sure.
on all digital platforms, featuring Big Dreams. Artists from Joburg, very dope artists. So yeah, man, they dropped in Tron. So like, yeah, man, like, you know, those women with determination, and like they know what they want in life. Why hood chick you don't fuck with, like, you know, Cassie chick, like, you know, yeah. So it was very easy, man. So it was not a thing. It's like her being her and me being me. Like it just made sense.
Sure.
It just made
Sure.
sense.
I think, like, since as mentioned, I wanna know, because I know nabantwana bayi-3.
Yeah.
Ne?
So
Yeah. Omnye wabo nguZoe.
Yeah.
Kalo bazi uZoe.
Yeah.
I feel like wena usimelayo phaa social media. Yeah, uyakubeka,
for
order,
sure.
yeah. But I think the most interesting part kum ngabantwana bakho is, I know one of them is your niece,
Yeah.
and one is your child,
Yeah.
and another ngowemate yakho.
Yes.
Yabo. We had a conversation about that on our few episodes, I think on the last episode, on how is the relationship between wena nomama mntana akho okanye nemate yakho, and ibe nayo inomntana that's not your child. Yabo. How is that relationship uqala? Is it not affecting in any way i-relationship onayo nomntana wakhe? And how is that different from a relationship onayo with your child, if there is any
Okay,
difference?
nah, bruh. Like, you see, bruh, like, we all know what's right. Because yeah, as human beings, I think we like to act, or we all know what's right, bruh. You know what, if you grew up in a family, if you've seen how a family is on TV or how they portray it, it's easy. Just like everybody wanna have that American family dream, probably, because that's the movies. That's what you get, is that kind of setup. So if you're loving and you have a pure heart, I was lucky enough to get someone with a pure heart, and she's just like my mother. My mother is a fashion designer. She's a nurse. She's a fashion designer. She sings. And so it's like, it just so natural, but because as I said before, me, I grew up in a home.
Sure.
I didn't grow up in a house. There's a difference between a
Damn.
home and a house.
Okay.
So when I grew up in a house, I beat my kids. It's like, but like, you know, if umuntu gets it, akalilwa
Donor.
latata mna andayishaya into ndibetha umuntu.
Donor.
I'm donora I'm aina. Because I'm in aina, I'm like aina, I'm best straight. So it's because with the kids that we're raising these days, man, and they can be out of line very quick. So the relationship is very natural, bruh. Don't involve kids in things they don't know. Don't involve kids in the know. And bruh, it's like, be truthful with people, bruh. Like umuntu makayazi, if I understand yena xa ena 14 uba oh shit, oh like even my daughter's like, oh ndinotata abayi-2, oh ndinomama abayi-2, oh like you get me? So it's like my kids, my mother, like they love my woman love them, like my mother, like it's seamless, dog. Like it's not even a thing to think about to me. Like I don't even think about it. It's like, yeah. So what? Like, yeah, and so I think also like my anchor or oh, my mother is a winner, dog. Like I so hope like I can't wait for her to win like in the materialistic monetary value and like yo that woman, bruh, she changed a lot of people's lives, bro. Like my mother came to Cape Town for a wedding, bro. She was wearing a dress and she got some shoes. She had shoes on. Her cousin's sister was up in umakazi wami okalang wathi wayesenhle lokho emayicinga ndiyayithanda ufune kungiphe yona wathi ayikhulula. I had to Uber. Why nxiba lokho wagoduka saya phaa kum endlini. I had to wahamba and I had to send that dress nezahlangu phaa kumakazi kwalang washiya, bruh. And then everybody's like, oh Maciko ushiye nyhani lo. So like ngoku umthatha ebhasini ufuna ukholisa abantu ahambe nabo ebhasini khabafake abakude ubheli lethi mazelaphi lo mntu thina singaphi omnye crossroad masikuoperishele masizokwazi kungo-11 kungo-12 ebusuku ngoku ufuna bendixakisa ngoku ndiyaphangela ekuseni stuff like that. So my mother is like that kind of a person, bro, like big heart. So I just can't wait for afumane wizakhe, bro, before like hence like now I had to sharpen up and be straightforward. So it's like my woman, dog, is like everything. My mother, sorry, everything I learned from that woman, dog, having a heart, giving. Like you see me, I'm a giver, bro. Like I don't hold things to myself. It's like I get a new cab, I give you the other cab. Like it's like, and then that's how I keep on getting things, bro. It's like I can give you this like this now, today, or whatever. And then my friends are like that. It's like that cap that Nova's wearing.
Yeah.
Push got it from someone else. He gave it to Nova because he got another one for himself or whatever. So it's like we just those many years ukwela, bro. Even the hospitality that he's doing, I'm like, yo, talk about same thing alone, man, because he knows the reality. Like, he understands good, but hey, he's thinking, oh, this nigga might not even have let me finish. You get me? Like, you get me? So it's because it's still pushing. You feel me? We're still really pushing. And it's like, but we here, we tapped in, we focused, man. I'm not gonna lie, bro. So yeah, bro, I would say yeah, inzala, bro. Like bro. Like, I'm not gonna care. Even for her, I don't like talking about her because it's emotional because it's like, hey, it's time now. It's time now. This woman is getting old. You get me?
So what are you doing? What are you in terms like of parenting? Yeah, well, you are a father, most like.
Yeah.
Like how much of how you were like indlela okhuliswe ngayo ngokukhulula, how much of that did you take into indlela okhulisa ngayo wena as a time abantwana abangamantombazana abayi-3,
yeah.
Like you mentioned uba discipline ubabhaxabula,
yeah.
like is I want to understand that.
No, the two fingers. Kaloba bafuna nakwesikolo, bafuna kwezi private school. Bayakhumsha. So nakombeka there is abusive.
No, I understand this that, but how much of how you grew up you took and you took into your own family as a time, yabantwana abangamantombazana abathathu, and do you feel like you are the best father or the best version of uba ngutata wabantwana? Like do you feel like there's some of indlela uparenta ngayo is how you wanted to uba ukhuliswe ngayo wena okanye your parents to be like?
Yeah, I think we're getting there. Like asikafiki because it's like andikahlali nabo umzekelo bonke, like let's say I see them on holidays like now June or December, so they will all be in the same space or whatever. But like my partner is very good with making sure everything is whatever. Me, I'm like, I think I'm low key. That guy is like that will make sure that everything is there. I'm probably focused on the next thing. Like I think I'll be more about work moving forward. You know, so it's a the time I'm on bride, like it's like just like any normal home. So the style that I use is it's understanding them and listening to them.
Sure.
And like what are they saying and like being there and like paying attention. Like it's so crazy. Like when I chill with Zones, like I'll be outside, maybe chilling with Donova and stuff. We maybe on her tab. So she's gonna call me. Izobona, I won this game or whatever. We're just gonna say, "Oh, good job!" You are there like
Yeah,
every
giving
second, bro. Like,
attention.
and that's what life is about. Like, you need to be present every second. It's like that's why it's like me. If fights and all those kind of stuff, like I don't really have those because it's like every minute, like I don't miss every minute. Like this is real life, bro. There's no second chances. It's like if you didn't greet that guy and you acted if you didn't see that guy, you did that. Don't act as if.
Ayenzekanga,
Like
bro, yeah.
ayenzekanga. But because bumonqena. What did you think? Iya kuye. If you put the show, cool fit. Yeah. So it's like this is real life. Yo, dog, me. I think I'm good in manifesting, bro. So it's like what I wanted with my kids now, we're having all those kids together. And my woman will say, but oh, maybe the other one can't come now. We need to wait for the. And I'm like, yeah, I have these kids now. These kids need to see themselves. They need to be together, know them. Bazane kwanguku basebancinci. Abantwana mabadibane ngoku. Thathu amahle from a lady friend. Cela yohlala ngapha ngakume ebhisha adibane no-R. So I've planned this thing. Like I've said it. Amahle sahlala kulo mama yakhe. Like I've put this thing together, bro. But it's like I don't really talk about my things, but like I know where to push.
Yeah.
Which is this, like, it's why content is easy for me because it's like I know what I want and I know how I want it to look. So it's like it's just like a thing whereby sometimes you cross fingers and then luck and whatever. So my style, bruh, is like just being me, bruh, being present every second. So yeah, I mean, I was saying like manifestation. Like I think I'm very good at that. I don't know good or yeah, bruh, but like when I manifest something, even if sometimes I don't know how I'm gonna like it's about an end result, but it's like
Say
for
it,
sure.
manifest
Say it and like you know,
Take a risk.
and then we
So
go.
you say it and work towards it.
No, you need to have a pure heart with manifestation. That's what people don't forget. Like you can't be dark and the thing.
I think what I'm trying to
Yeah.
understand, Yabo, is can you say something without
Putting in the
putting
work.
effort and working towards it?
No, you have to put an effort and work towards
Yeah.
it. You need to see the moments. You need to make those crucial decisions. It's about every day. It's about. So how can I put it now? It's like if I didn't want to be here, if I didn't want to be here, there's no way you could make me to be here. Nobody can make you do anything. Like if I'm a phone
I think the Facebook what I mentioned, I think
Yeah.
what one of as very busy is so cool. Because you're very busy.
yeah,
Yo,
not
man,
even
like
get
this. Nah?
Not even.
Because there's a lot of yenzayo, man, at the same time.
Yeah, but it's
Because
like
there's business.
because I'm living my life,
Sure.
and then people think I'm busy.
Sure.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm chilling with Nova, but when I'm chilling with Nova, we're streaming. But when I'm
Okay.
chilling with Kusta, we're designing. When I'm chilling with Sowetan Party, we're designing T-shirts.
Sure.
And then when I see a video, somebody recording it, I'm just living my life, and then it just
Yeah.
becomes a lot. When I record with Ovo and Bosco and Ovo, like the videos with the Nigerian my Nigerian friends, and because I'm going to buy weed. And they see me, they say, women's record. When they go buy again, then we record.
Which is dope.
It's dope.
Yeah.
You just live your life, bro.
Yeah,
And then you
man.
just have a lot of shit.
Yes.
It's hard, Vetu.
Bro.
For most of us to live, we are surviving.
Exactly. We're not living.
I think take a risk I
Yeah, you take risk, bro, for you to live.
Yo, I mean, come
bro.
on, how do you move? Because now I was shocked, and if you moved from civil engineering to a chef, I think for abantu abaninzi, the minute you mention science, abantu they're like, Bon, ilaphi imali. And then you move to chef.
food.
Yeah, but how do you make that transition if you don't value yourself? You don't take risks.
You take risks,
Yeah,
bro.
Because engqondweni you have that's
Yeah.
survival instinct. You
survival
need to have
instinct.
money for this
Lots
and
of
this and
it.
that. Yeah, man.
Because also sometimes a good friend of mine said to me, "Who's understand, bruh? Ungubani qala." Like ungubani qala. Okay, ungumntu. Okay, ungumntu onjani? Ungumntu nje ungumntu nje umnyama. Nje umnyama nje uyindoda, uyi-male figure. Nje uyi-male figure nje uyindoda emnyama yomXhosa. Yenza ntoni indoda yomXhosa?
Hatch.
Qala pha nansi. Qala pha. Isityani mna, the only thing that saves me, bro. Naxa sezintweni. Nabonga situation yabo ke sosidoda ke. Isidoda will save you. Zendlela amatswana abaninzi. No-base ingayaba sayithini. Uma base othile seqheleka ngoku. Yile ntoni kanjani le yile ithathe ilaptop yakho yayityuza gqiba yakufakela bayithathe ilaptop yakho kanye ilele erumini yakho ufika sisarumini yakho.
Isiso.
Sidoda ndela silingaqala pha tamsiyana makalungise yonke le ngondlu kutsha ntanga siyazi ubani okay khona watyuza thile okay discipline watyuza okay atyuze wena bampola wena ugrand siqale silungisile. So it's like isijani is something always that I follow on. So it's like understanding who you are first. Yenza ntoni nezixhosa funeka ibe nekhaya funeka ibe yi-provider funeka ibe yintontoni awuphela isokile endlini gqiba ulingqengqe nangingxake thina uthi xa udepressed ungantuba ndantoni ubomi bakho vele ulale ulalela ntoni
Kanye uzigome.
ulalela ntoni. The moment you step out outside the yard, I'm telling you, you're gonna meet a human being. Take a walk, do something. I'm telling you, bro, shit will move. I used to do that, bro, back then. I was staying in Maitland. No, I did Abuja, I was sick, bro. Ndamtshintsha ke awungusekwa wena nqinalam khoma suka Mphego usukele ke Eastern Cape naye Port Fred usegcwa yamasegcwane akamboni yeah usive. So it's like way ubana wabelebeni bani bedini ngenasipani ngona ngikwazi ubhatala irent bendilala bro. Hayi nxa ulele phone sami sotyipi le nxa ulele mhlambi ungifanele kuneza kushilula ukwenzelana uphakama ndanga. Ufika pha xa usela ibhiya pha udibana nomyo bro. Kufuna abantu spa. Sure bro. That's why me I don't see alcohol as way negative.
Yeah.
Like if you know how to drink, bro, alcohol is not negative, bro. If you know how to use alcohol, bro, me and my best networks are through alcohol, bro. I'm here because of alcohol. I'm telling you, bro. Alcohol. But if you know how to use it, and you know who's giving it to you, notice hey, where you at? Uphendule na where you at? Kami uyogqibela utywala. Yabona ngezixabanisana ufike bobhanza abantu inika. Njani ube yinika? Come on, babona inika yazi nika. Inika is a nika, that's not your nika. Okay. Please uhamba nenika wena ubelifoni ubuthini uhamba nenika.
Awumazi lo mama naye. Sure.
Kakubika kuvusa ekuseni khomana mje behleli isole ma angiphethe 2 efoni I'm not your nika. Fuck off no 2 beers yakho. You get me? So it's like, you know, so you need to know how to balance.
I think one of his izinto mentionayo, I think ngeke ndayifunda la ela paper ubuvele kula Daily Dispatch.
Sure.
Yabo. I've also realized ndoba one of the key things ozipushayo kule content which I think abantu abaninzi didn't know. I thought it was just you being crazy, being fun. Yeah. But you mentioned about this is your teaching style. Yeah. Why do you think that is important? Nakufaga humor in sending a message forward.
Yeah, but because you see, one thing I wanted to say, hence I was saying it, Kalimba. What I said there, or ufake humor, it's like that's what we're trying to do. So I cannot actually say more on it because I don't know what I'm gonna say tomorrow. Sure. So it's the real life. Hence I'm like, what we've picked up is that, oh shit, this shit is educational, and it's like, and I feel it. Me, I'm a crier also. It's like most of the time I cry a lot. Like just nje, with no reason. Like the days are really crazy. Empty. And that shit was real. Like, you're wasted by any means. So it's like,
yeah,
when
that's
Jalo and Atamsiana, whereby it's like, it's just real life, bro. And it's like, but like, that's what we're feeling like we're doing now. That's what has been the thing. Because it's like, most of the time, I'm just talking to myself. Sometimes I'm just talking to myself or like, yeah, man, it's like, it happens when it happens. That's why I'm saying I'm a vessel. Sometimes it's not for me. It's not for me, but it's for the next person to actually realize that or to understand that. Like yeah.
I want to make a link unusual, ne? And mhlawumbe uzangicacisela, but you pro is cause. You pro is daughter. Ne? I think at the same time you allow yourself to cry on a chance. Yabo?
Yeah.
For amakhosi amaninzi, for amadoda amaninzi, contradiction there. What's your take, Lole? Marayiva the question yami ta.
Yeah. Ngiyabetha bhetha. Yeah, bethe ne. So it's sayibeka kanjani bra? Ithi londo going back to way ubana ndiyintoni ndingumntu. So before indoda esiXhosa kukho umntu qala.
Thank you, sir. Ubam sana. Ayingatsho le.
Yeah, umuntu, ubuntu. Give me, I'm tapped in, I'm very spiritual. So it's like, and a lot of people, like, I just let them be, like, yeah, I'm go smart, yeah. Like I'm not smart and clever. I know that I'm not a intellect.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not the guy.
Yeah, genius.
That's why I'm not. Like I'm one of the biggest fans, cannot, because every time he opens his mouth, I learn something. I'm like this one, like, when you turn, no, but that guy is smart. And we need to respect that that guy is smart. He makes me cringe as fuck, but it's like the cringer. So now I get to learn other things about myself. It's like, because I used to cringe about something and then put it away. But now I can cringe and then like, for this information. You get
it's
me?
true.
And it's true. You get me? So it's like, yeah, man. It's I'm very, like as I was saying, very spiritual. Like I'm tapped into myself and like the space. Like I'm attentive, man. I don't act like I see every person. Like that's why it's like I wanted to do it for the longest time, but now it's getting difficult. I reply to every post. I reply to you as in Teta now. I don't act. I don't reply to you, but even the lacha like
Sure.
like I can't. But now I cannot do it on TikTok anymore, whatever, like because like it's just too it means yeah. But I try by all means to like the post, like to make sure that I'm there. So we're very intentional, bro, and we're very present with this shit, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah. There's a lot of people also showing love, man, with like a lot of people like, oh geez, I don't think I would be a creative without Scoop Makhathini. Yeah, like, shout out to them. So on that Pro Xhosa thing, bro, I remember because it's not too far. I'm cool, but it's like when I saw that, I think I was in high school, or maybe I was in primary. But it's like seeing Scoop doing what he was doing on TV, wearing baggy clothes, hip hop and tennis clothes.
Yeah.
That shit changed the whole thing, Baba. 3 months cab. Guys changed the whole thing, that movement. I'm like, you can rap in Xhosa. Because man, that's lollipop, Lil Wayne, Miss Mindy. Hip hop, lollipop. So when I saw like 3 months cab, like when the 3 months cab were killing it, and like, there's people who are doing this in Xhosa. Okay, cool. So like Scoop is one of the people that actually put me on. Like, and then also I'm from a city where a lot of people, bro, like, are great. Like, according to this other man that used to do Savannah ads back in the days, he had like hair like mine. Not the like, it was from my hood. Yeah, like, I was a Bisho. Anathi was born a Bisho, like or if I'm correct, by the way, Kwahlale Bisho, stuff like that. Ooh. So the other thing that pushed me, who's this? The man. Esona. So there's this boy Esona, Black Coffee's son. So he grew up literally like with family friends with Esona, which is Black Coffee's son. And Esona would just like go when he goes to Joburg or Durban, and he would come back home with Black Coffee t-shirts. Like Hotman was still starting up at that time. You know, he was still like, you know, getting in the industry and stuff like that. And the relationship he had, going back also to answer you, how do you balance not having the same kids from the same, not having kids? So I watched Hotman Black Coffee, like how he handled undabonyana wakhe ongengo part omtshato, whatever. Like that shit was beautiful, bro. Because Esona would go to Joburg, ended up staying with him. Now they're playing together. Like, you know, so it's like you see such values from people like that you can have a family together. That doesn't mean whatever, but it's like you can always have a unit and you can have family. So it's like stuff like that. I saw it from like Okhonmano Coffee, stuff like that. Kubone. So yeah, man. And now it's like it's beautiful. It's like, you know, he's killing it with the fans up from, you know.
So do you think because one of the reasons inspiration Hotman is how he handles family and probably how he relationship here can
Yeah, and it's not about me. I don't care about I know he's great or whatever, but it's like family values and being authentic and being like, you know, and being real, bro. So it's like I take certain values, like it's just daughter most. Tata le, you don't have to take everything from everyone because somebody can think, and I'm not very too much into what people can do. I'm more into who they are. I'm not interested in like what I don't care even if you made 20 million this year. But if you treat me bad and you treat my family bad, yeah, I'm sorry, though. You get me?
Useless, no matter.
So
do you think?
So, like, you mentioned something about being depressed, and ungaphumi. And I feel like most of the time, yabo, we are always running away from something, yabo. And I think I was watching this other podcast with Dr. Mzamo. He was saying, like, do we notice why we are always constantly running away from izinto? Well, you are running away from being poor. You are running away from ungabi namali. You're running away from uba ngutatombi. Like we are constantly running away from izinto. And I was like thinking, how can we run, Chambi, towards something? Yeah. So how important? Because also when you make lamzekelo like say kwafika Segwa, yeah. Me, yabo. Wafika Segwa, yabo. Wathi sami phakama sosela ibhiya. And you can actually meet someone in Chambi.
And it literally happened. Like it happened. Something like that happened.
And it's easy for me to say, like, man, I can't go into that space because kuyaselwa into ezinjalo, and what am I going to learn from her? And you say, because kwabantu abaselayo lokishini awaziwayo, but when they speak, they speak sense, you can actually learn something. So how important is for us to be in spaces and see good values that we want to sort of align with nabantu, but at the same time we look at the habit and say, okay, I'm not going to take that from this person, but
so
yeah, it's like we have, you know, like for man that used to drive you listen more to get more to man is hey my phone or whatever. But now the thing is like, don't lay in ayenza kuza kwazi banemoto but nitalk at the same time. Oh, okay, don't you de-escale. Okay, sure. Khona course man abe Bridges of Academy. Bethi wena by course of music man pa. Like learn something. Like you can always you can always learn something from someone. Even like if you're a human being and you pure, you can learn something from everyone. like umzekelo, or you can benefit something from anyone. Umzekelo, obabheki baphe umzekelo ndiyabaleka phaa ekuseni ndiwise isitixo ndibaleke. uDonovan wacholesa isitixo, i-homeless umuntu ohlala phaa ngaphandle wacholesa isitixo. Yeah, I'm looking at this stick. But you know what my mind told me? I'm like, yeah, man, Tony, man. Sorry, man, didn't see a key here. I know, man, my girl has it. You get me? But if I thought him like, oh, this person,
no,
no, this person.
yeah,
But she goes up and say,
Yeah.
Yes, uzakanye na kuDonovan. Ngena njani? Ngena phambi kwakho kwangena endlini. Sikose kuDonovan because kaloku wena uzibulala.
Yes.
So that I always say, like, to answer, the question was like, ne? But how do you? Uhluza njani? Yeah, bro, like, be human, bro. Be human. Like, for abantu umzekelo ba ubone excited kakhulu. La kupodcast yakutsiba, upodika nditsiba ndanga yakudubula intokazi yami. Yawuva phambi kwexesha ndanga. Ingathi ngomtsiba because nje ufuna undibamba ngalo. Ngathi saba sengxaki. Umntana wakho usondela kakhulu for nje. Aqombe, hey unje, hey, fuck off. Unsondela loo nto mntu wonca ufuna ufota nami undibamba isifi. Fuck off. You can be pure, bruh, be you. I feel like when you are you, bruh, life becomes very much easy. Because you know, always covering stuff. We see this mask.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, why? No, and it about to be disciplined. I'm not about to be respectful, and it about don't have manners. You need to have those. Like, you need to learn those if you didn't. Like, take things from different people. There's this thought that you take things from different people, then you make one thing. Oh, see, Vunembek. Okay, sure. But I can get Mundu at the same time. Okay, sure. But who do I say Mundu to?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
When
Okay.
do I say that?
Lindo, okay, Tamsia, okay, Mbiambona, Mshoni people Tamsia. Yes, see, I'm fair to see. Yes, my good Tamsia. It Tamsia, God, very busy. I'm going to get so grand. Life will be easy, bro. Like, you get me? So it's like, but there's always people that will always be looking for things, bro. Looking for, like, you know, challenge you and stuff like that. But it's like, when you don't give energy to something, you only make something live when you give it energy.
Damn. Do we still have time?
Obviously, Mfethu Oko, you are not perfect, yeah.
Yeah, it's all
Like you are not a perfect human being, and whenever we look at you or we see your skits on social media, you make us laugh.
Sure.
We are seeing this funny guy who has a good sense of humor in front of camera, or even like, like without the cameras. Like, what are you healing from, bro? The most, like,
What am I healing from?
like from, isn't it that you mentioned, like your upbringing and born up until now, yeah, about the challenges we have faced.
Yeah.
What would you say you are?
I'm healing
You are
from.
healing from.
That is deep.
Okanye ke,
Like, I got you to 100%. I am healing from the kind of life we're living. And we always
Currently.
we're always trying to survive. We're not supposed to try to survive.
Yes, sir.
We're supposed to just to live, wake up, if unenje, ufuna elwandle, uhambe, uphume uye emachibini, uhambe nenja yakho. Uhambe siye ematyeni, okanye uye emalanjeni. Yeah, you can wake up and do, but now ufuna uvuka uye emsebenzini. I'm healing off the system. The system, bro. Imagine, bro, if you can escape time. Doesn't matter if there's the other things that kind of deep. It's like if you can just make a way to get that and have that without you having to struggle. But like it's not even that, like escaping this because time was created by humans, bruh. We're chasing this time that we created. There's people that don't have ages. There's no age. There's no date. There's no year. People are just living, bruh, life. We're just a part of the galaxy. We are very small.
like in Nangogo, I feel like Mfethu, there are things that at this age I'm supposed to have already acquired
but-
life in. But
exactly.
Ngogo, the under pressure to get those because but I'm getting old.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But Umzekelo is like now, you need to be in the system to beat the system.
Okay.
How do I do that?
Because if Rodman can play a show in Amsterdam one night and he gets paid maybe 2 million, he can sustain himself probably like for the next year. So you need to tap into things that can give you freedom. Like we don't have freedom. So I'm healing from not having freedom. Because funeke ndenze inzame bandi andikwazi uvuka nje ndibe nomntu webanana because ndihlale off the town, ndihlale erumini, or ndirenta nobani. Now I can't make noise when I want to. Like, you know, we're healing from, bruh, if ikubona xa usezilalini kokwena uphola kanjani, bruh. Akho WhatsApp, the only thing you deal about, yo, enkomo ngoba sefake ngoma ediphini ngofonini. That's the only problem. Kukubona what alone, but yo, fuck. Andikasengi namhlanje. And bandisenga ndizutya, and that's it. Now you get me? So it's like, I want that kind of life, bruh, whereby it's like, you just get what you want when you need it. And what's really necessary. Sidunyela ziwe, it's like, umzekelo. Ubuzile kweba, yeah, ubuzile umbali, manager, urana yonke le. Ba, funa ndoni ka, funa ndoni, suka amanzi from the fruit. Because that's what I really need as a human being, fruit. But bethangele, ncane ukhulu, ncane chile, umzekelo. Akho cool, deteriorate xa, akuxelela uhlumela yabaleka. Xa lazy andibambekise, I know time say lazy abambekise because ngoku that portion itya lazy le ncinci, that 250 calories we lazy. I-lazy phakathi eyi-1 lazy noba ingangele tafile ye-fruit. That's how much it contributes. Like, it fucks you up. So like, yeah, bro, it's like I want to be able to, I'm healing from not affording things that I want to afford. I want to be able to afford things that I want to afford. Like, because I can't afford butter because the butter duru, but butter is the healthiest. But I will take olive oil, but I won't take canola, but the olive oil and they are by healthy, but like now we have too much
Afford, sure.
Afford. So it's like we're just healing, bro, from
surviving.
From surviving. Like I don't want to survive anymore, bro. I'm tired of surviving. Survival is shit, bro. Like it's shit, bro. Bro, ukubona bospana, bro. One thing I saw in number says bro, your span best emsebenzini, and you just realize it just hit me the other day in December bull, but like, yela esi span ngokunebethela ngaso basinzima. Umsebenzi akonzima, ingxaki ngabantu.
Yeah.
Like ubana akakuthandi. The problem is not the span anymore. It's the human beings. They got an attitude with you. Their job is very easy. It's the human beings that are a problem. Making it difficult for you is like, so it's healing from those kind of things, bro. It's like, shit, you want to do this thing, but you know this person is going to stop you because they just don't want not to say anything. Man. Why is it man? You get me? People that hate you for no reason and shit like that. And it's like we cannot really make any but like like oh sorry. So bro. I feel like that's what people need to understand and get. But yeah, not gonna make people happy, bro. Like if you can, that's a bonus. But it's like
bro, not
everyone will like you.
Yeah, I love the fact that just in wrapping it up, more often abantu don't. I think I'm saying this the second time. Abantu don't really get the fact that before social media, before anything else, you become human. I think you've highlighted, Lowe, you become human, and why that is important in, relating with other people. But if you don't know yourself, firstly, you recognize within the system for you to be able to beat the system, right? And I think especially means we're living on survival mode, and adapt.
I think what you guys are trying to do here, like, is a lot of creativity, a lot of proofs that I know. So, like, you all trying to beat the system because bafuna ndona. It got 2 piano beats. So it's like he's been trying. Now put him a piano. Trying to beat the system.
which is speak on living.
bro,
Because
speak on
most of
living.
the things we are surviving. Like work is systemic, right? Well, it's system, but what you do and what you are trying to do is to live, because we speak what we want.
Freedom.
Well, it's freedom. It speaks on that, and I think it's very important for us to do. I want us, Jay, before
Wrapping it up more, yeah.
I think we have a bit of time. I want to
We don't have a bit of time.
Okay, I'll be quick. I'll be quick. Jay, short questions and short answers. I think it will be 3 or 4.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Strength or softness?
Strength.
Why?
Strength because bruh, first of all, you need strength as umjita. Fondini uyayazi uba why ufuna ukufumana ipeace enkulu kokwenu xa uhleli phaa kwendlini kwayamoyisa laa mntu. Fondini, I'm the bigger species, like I'm the stronger species.
Okay, what does...
So I'm a man because I'm a stronger species, because not because untoni ndiyamoyisa. Akandibeke ndiyamoyisa.
Okay. What does...
So strength is important because I'm stronger than a woman.
Like you mean like physical, in physical?
Physical, like if you phakamisa le khabhatha, phakamiswa ndim, phakamisa ibhedi, ndim, because I have strength. So how can I say weakness? Unyathelwa yimedi, xa kunzima novula imayonnaise. Ibhedi khavulela imayonnaise. Strength.
Okay,
Sure.
cool. Pain or purpose?
Purpose. Living life without purpose, bruh, like empty vessel type of done. So you need to live with a purpose there. Purpose.
What keeps you grounded?
Family values.
Manhood in 1 sentence for you.
Provide.
Provision.
Provide. So, Twandoni?
Provision, aye.
So provision. I provided like that one. There's no beating around that one. If you're not providing, you're protecting. You need to do something, bruh. Like look at Animal Planet, bruh. If you want to understand human behavior or understand yourself as a man, look at Ngonyama and Zandon. Protects the Ndondon. You know, ichakala, as long as away. You know.
Strength.
Yeah, so it's like you need to watch Animal Planet, bro. You see, and that's why it's like when you ways in the you're an animal. You get me? You get me?
What does inner chant mean for you, Mfid?
Bruh. Inner chant. I wanna relate it. Bruh, where's the magic? Bruh. Inner chant is like I would say it's like we talk about what most people don't talk about as singamajita. We're taking care of one another. Like the hospitality that I got here, bruh, like you get me. But it's like this kind of shit, bana umjida ke noyenzela for umjida, but babe kuthiwa kuzipaid abenequlazi enetsurela yo boy amajida pick up ephekiloni elamela safikile. But it's like inner chant is more like I would say women because I think the chant is for gentlemen, then ungaphakathi. So it's like we don't just want to know you or why you killing it or whatever, but like who are you and what are you bringing? Because you are creatives, but like are we putting some... It's like you can never put someone on this platform, but it's not for the purpose of the culture. I feel like you would respect the culture, have so much values for the culture, as knowing from Mukwele and Sibe how much they want to protect the culture and preserve the culture. So inner gen is getting to know the brews that are part of the culture.
That's so. Before you wrap it up, you wanna give us back the name Memeti Kamarengoma, where they find it, just in case they missed it.
The name of the but the Flower Child is no medium, and the sticker no snaz. Okay. Flower Child is another than but the guy with Flower Child. Inhloni. Inhloni, spelled in Zulu, Inhloni.
Okay, not with the T.
Not with the T, Inhloni, because it's like, you know. But yeah, because she's Zulu and shit.
Nice.
But I just didn't.
Zulu and shit.
But I see each other in the episode. But yeah,
Okay,
man,
thank you so much, Ruben.
yeah.
Please do like, comment, and subscribe. I mean,
Yeah.
come on.
If I subscribe,
come on.
channel's gonna funnily subscribe and channel gonna funnily subscribe and yeah, we can keep that one going. Okay. We're gonna share
In a gen speak true.